Hey guys, check out these vacuum bags that I just received from the brand to try out, and I love how simple and easy this is to put together. All you gotta do is put your clothes in, seal it, and I love that it comes with these little plastic clips to make it super easy to seal. And then you open up the lid and you attach the device, turn it on, and it's good to go. It's done in like 10 to 15 seconds, and you get a super slim package, which is great for storing, especially with summer over now and winter coming. You can store your summer clothes if you'd like and have it nice, neat, and compact, and it prevents any type of mold or moths or anything else from getting into your clothing during the off season. You can also use this to travel. So if you want to pack a lot of clothes, you can really condense them and add them to your suitcase this way as well. But overall, I found this is really helpful, and thank you so much for the brand for giving us a sample. Hope you all have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.